D4B Fam. We are here again. I'm coming at y'all with another video. So I'm just gonna come to y'all while I straighten my hair. So I have been transitioning for quite some time from relaxed hair to just my natural hair. And I try not to put a lot of heat on it, like on a regular basis, but I figured since I was gonna go ahead and try and straighten it, I would show y'all how I do it. I don't really have damaged hair. It's pretty full, but all I did was washed it and I let it air dry and it has not had any heat. So we're gonna straighten this transitioning hair. So if you wanna see how I do this, keep on watching. Okay. So first thing I wanna do is just go ahead and brush my hair out. I really wouldn't say my hair is just the cleanest, just because I've been working out every day at the gym and I tend to sweat quite a lot. So my hair is not as clean as it was when I initially washed it, but it's been maintaining its fluffiness for the most part. So let's see how it turns out today when we try to straighten it. So what I do is I just part some off after you brush it out. Have some little alligator clips here. Just clip it. And then I go back through it with the brush. It's not always parted the most straight because of course I can't see back there. But then I just take it, part it two halves. And I take my flat iron. This is just one I got from Amazon. It's a K-I-P-O-Z-I Kaposi professional salon tool. But it's got this little touch screen on it. I have mine all the way up at 450 just because otherwise like it's not gonna fit my hair. But yeah, I got these from Amazon. They are not my favorite. I do not really like the touch screen on it. Just because if I'm actually like curling my hair like this and my finger rubs against it the wrong way, it will turn them off. And I don't really like that. So what you do is you can see that I just kind of flatten out the root good first, and then I just do like a pass through the rest of the hair. Hold it a couple seconds, like, I don't know, it just depends on your texture, but maybe like 10 seconds, and then let it go. I don't want nothing that's like too curly, so I'm not gonna hold it on there a really long time, but so if you wanted it to really be curly and your hair is not like really damaged, you could probably hold it on there for like 12 to 15 seconds. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty good. And you pass it through the roots, you know, a couple times to make sure they're straight. Because I didn't blow dry my hair or anything. I just wrapped it. And then while I was going to the gym, I would put it up in a bun and braid it or twist it or something while I worked out to try to keep it stretched out. So that's why it's somewhat straight and not so tightly coiled still. So then all I do is just take my wide tooth comb, part another section here in the back of my head. I'm just doing a quick curl, so this isn't like gonna be a super detailed curling in my hair, just a nice quick kind of straighten and then a few curls to just make sure that it's bouncy, you know? So I don't need to make really tiny sections. So maybe like 5 little passes through just the root, down to the ends like so. Hold about 5 seconds and release. So now that y'all see kind of like what the process is, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my head and we'll be back when I'm done. Alright guys, so pretty much continue to just go around your whole head like that. And what I like to do with the curls, once I get them placed where I want them, I just continue to kind of scrunch my hands through it, play around with it, you know, get it to look how you need it to look. You can do a little, you know, a little more bang, a little less bang, just whatever makes you feel good. You can do behind, you know, you can pull it back here a little bit. But since we didn't curl it like really tight, it makes it easier to kind of just maneuver and just play with it how you want, depending on like where you're going. But I spray with a little hairspray. I like to kind of keep it a little messy, a little tousled. But if you see little extra pieces like these guys here in the front, you can always just kind of tag these guys real quick with your straightener. Just tag them. If they're not, you know, doing enough for you, you can always do that. Like, I like to kind of keep it a little loose. I just want it to really have like a little bend to it more than a curl. Like this side just kind of falls. Just kind of keep it a little messy, a little tousled, full-on bedroom hair. So yeah, here you go. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much, D4B Fam, for tuning back in with your girl. Leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of content you would like to see. This channel is going to be geared more towards beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if y'all need anything, let me know. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Until the next video.